it going, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about how you guys can have access as day traders to free live quotes. And what I mean by that are either the depth or the level 2 feature, as well as just being able to see the candlesticks and the live charts. And for a day trader, that's going to be very useful, especially for those that are going to be doing our $1,000 challenge. I want to make sure that besides Robinhood, as long as you have a social security number, which you have to open a Robinhood account, you can also open a TD Ameritrade account. Does not mean that you actually have to fund your account. It simply means that you simply have to open one, and I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to have access to these live quotes and these live charts, as well as being able to have access to the live level 2, which means that you can see where people are buying and selling, which is very useful to get a better understanding if you're getting in at a good buy or at a good sell. Overall, I'm going to start sharing my screen, so you are going to have to use a desktop for this specific feature. If you haven't done so already, you might have the regular TD Ameritrade app. And if your application shows that you have a 20-minute delay, it means that you're not subscribed as real-time quotes. And again, you don't have to pay anything, you don't have to fund your account. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is that you have to do to have access to this information. As well as for those that are doing that paper trading or simulation trading, you no longer have to paper trade with that 20-minute delay. I went ahead and called the people over at TD Ameritrade. I asked if there's anything that they can do in effort to help the people that are paper trading to have real-time quotes. And it's actually a service that they already had available. You just simply have to subscribe to it. And what that means is you have to agree to the exchange agreement, which really just means that you have to subscribe as a non-professional, which means for those that aren't licensed brokers, then you simply subscribe as a non-professional. So overall, I'm going to start sharing my screen and show you guys exactly how to do so. Alrighty guys, so once you guys have your TD Ameritrade account open, you guys are going to have to make your way down to client or our client services. Once you are here, make your way down here to general. Once you click on general, it will take you to this page right here. As you can see on the general tab, you are going to make your way down to exchange agreement. And by going here, you need to make sure that your status is labeled as a non-professional. If it's not labeled as a non-professional, make sure you click edit, or if it gives you a number, go ahead and call. And if you're not a licensed broker, then that means you're a non-professional. And I want to make sure that you guys are aware that once you guys are marked or labeled as non-professionals, you guys have access to live quotes as well as live news and non-delayed, right, like real-time quotes for free. So you need to make sure that you are labeled as a non-professional, and then you need to make sure that all these exchange agreements are signed. And you simply click on edit, you sign as a non-professional, and then you will be, receiving live time or real-time quotes. Now, once you get all that set up, you are going to click on subscription, and you want to make sure that you are subscribed to real-time NASDAQ level 2 quotes. This will allow you access to be able to see where people are buying and selling. And again, this is at no cost monthly. And then might as well subscribe, since it's free, to streaming news, meaning real-time news. This is only going to give you more access to information that can give you a better judgment on whether you're getting in at a good buy and where you can get in at a good sell. And that's really just it, guys. I know this was a very short video, but I want to make sure that as we start this $1,000 challenge that we started as of yesterday, and we're going to launch it, April 17th, so this upcoming Monday, I want to make sure that you guys have access to all the tools and resources possible to make you guys better traders and make your decisions as investors, more advanced and be a little bit more knowledgeable on what it is that you're choosing to get into. If you guys haven't seen what level 2 or depth means, we do have a video that describes exactly why it's helpful and why you should be able to see where people are buying and selling, especially if you're doing momentum trading, as well as being able to see real-time stocks and being able to perform technical analysis on these very useful charts. It's going to be a big change from the Robinhood platform, that the charts always don't make sense or are not always accurate. This will also allow you access to set alerts, meaning you can stay up to date on the stock that you're investing, whether it's up or going down, as well as for future or potential investments, letting you know that okay, now they're in your buy range, or now they're getting close to your potential sell point. So it's just keeping you up to date with these alerts, making sure that you're receiving real-time quotes, and then being able to see where people are buying and selling will give you a better judgment as an investor to make sure that you have a higher potential or a higher possibility in being successful when it comes to trading. And again, for this $1,000 challenge, our daily goal for 3 days out of a 5-day period is going to be 2.3% growth per day. Today I was able to lock in a little bit over 12% profit, if you guys haven't seen my recap already for the day. But overall, it really comes down to continuously seeing the same growth consecutively. And with seeing that from 2.3%, in a week, 7% in a month, 28% in a year, from $1,000 to, $19,343 is the overall outcome that you would see with investing initially $1,000. Although it does seem very easy, it's very easy also to get out of track, to let your emotions get into play. And I want to make sure that you guys have all the tools and resources available for you at no additional cost to be more successful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any more suggestions or questions, please feel free to reach out to me. The comments down there, I do read them very often, as well as if you guys do want to be a part of TechBud Solutions. It is a free networking group, a little bit over 12,000 members worldwide, and I'd love to be a part of your success. Again, the link to join our TechBud Solutions platform is down in the description, and you simply click there. Once you get accepted, you have access to the top pinned post, will allow you access to the numerous group chats that we have available that you can better utilize to network with like-minded individuals and sharing best practices and sharing mistakes. Can't thank you guys enough for putting time aside and watching this video, and hopefully we continue seeing this growth and end the year on a green note. Take care, guys.